Okay, welcome to ETN News. Bring you an update on this hurricane, and it is a Category 4 major hurricane, 145 miles per hour right now. It went over top of the tsunami station at 155 miles per hour and never set it into event mode. So remember that. They don't set them into event mode. Right here's the tsunami station. That's all it did. It just showed the waves getting high. And right here's the buoy, south of Puerto Rico. Didn't go into event mode at 150 mile per hour winds going over top of it. So remember that. We see a tsunami station go into event mode. Alright, now right here, it's going to hit Jamaica head on. I mean, right dead center. You know, the way they got it projected here, and it's changing course. So it could come on up into the Gulf of Mexico. I had a subscriber mention that, about it coming up into there, but the way the winds is coming down and circling, by the time it gets over here, it could be up in here. It could go any direction, so just be prepared if you're either way, you know, on either side of this hurricane. Now let's go down and look at this. See what it looks like going toward Jamaica. Okay, in between 6 to 7 hours, it's going to be hitting Jamaica. And the storm is right in the middle. Here shows the hurricane right at the bottom of it. But this storm is so big, the storm is hitting them right in the middle of it. Right dead center of it. Let's get a little closer look. Okay, let's back this up. You can see it coming there. It comes under Dominican Republic and Haiti's the main storm, which they're going to get rain, maybe flooding, but the hurricane is coming head on with Jamaica. Right in the middle of it. And then moving northward a little bit. See if we can see how far we can look at this. You see where it's at? It's right in the middle. Coming up through here. It's showing it going down through here with the line, but this is the bad storm part. Right here, you got more winds down here, though. But let's look at this on up. It's still showing it's going to hit the end right here. Around Cancun or somewhere like that, ever how they pronounce that. But that's a bad storm, and it's growing. That's the reason it's going to take out Jamaica. Alright, Jamaica's a big place. I just hope they're prepared for this. It's going to hit them head on. Now let's look at the satellite view of this on the GO 16. Alright, it's north of all those islands. Let's look at a different view. Okay, now here's the hurricane as it come across the islands, and you can see where the eye went right across one, but two islands, and a small one beside that one. But anyway, you come on over through here. Look how it's growing. A lot of rain, picking up a lot of water off the ocean. But you can see how it's starting to grow right there. That is huge. So dangerous. Alright, let's look at a different view. Okay, over here is Jamaica, and it's coming in this way. Let's follow it a moment. Like I said, look how it's growing. And right here's Jamaica. Okay, on this one you can watch it pick up the water off the ocean. And you can see how it's building and picking all that up. By the time it gets to Jamaica, that'll be a lot of water. I mean, heavy flooding. Like I said, so dangerous. Let's take a look at what it's done to Hades and over that way. Let me see here. Look at the rain and flooding that brought in. All right, I hope they are safe and ready for that. And this here is the earthquakes. Thought I'd show a quick update on it. We got this in here out in the ocean on the Mendocino fault line coming across the ocean. North 3.9 North Pacific Ocean, 6.2 miles deep. And then one on the Cascade, well, right on the Cascade, around the Cascadia. 2.7 west of Ferndale, California, 9.8 miles deep. I just have to zoom in to look at it closer. Might be just coming down this fault instead of over here on the Cascadia down Juan de Fuca. But anyway, 2.8 east of Seven Trees, 3.0 south of Camarillo, California, 10.4 miles deep, and a 3.2 northwest of Progreso, Mexico, 7.1 miles deep. 2.8 White City, around where they're drilling. 2.5 west-southwest of Artondale, Washington, 16.9 miles deep. Got that coming across the Mendocino. We haven't seen anything out here in a long time. Anyway, we still had the deep quakes over here. We're still looking for a large earthquake. And 4.2 in the Gulf, 7.1 miles deep of Alaska. Alright, I'll see you on the next updates. Everybody stay safe, and we'll be watching.